This honestly has to be one of my favorite recipes in the entire cookbook. My mom would make catfish on Friday, every Friday. And then when my mom passed away, no one would make catfish anymore in my family. But I knew the recipe because I stood there next to my mom while she made it all the time. And what I like about standing next to my parents, that at some point in time, it stopped being just a pinch of this and a pinch of that. They started writing this stuff down because they knew that someone had to carry this legacy, way forward. Catfish can only be eaten with your hands.
Okay.
I like eating from the outside in, like the fatty pieces on the outside first, and I will eat those and then eat the inside. And usually that gets more hot sauce and more flavor in it. And one thing we do that's not usual is that we actually brine the catfish. We treat it the same way as any other protein because you need to put the moisture back into it. Think about a fish out of water naturally loses all the liquids. But we're actually just adding the salt back into it and adding the moisture and opening those cells back up so then it can absorb all those flavors. If not, you just get this layer of taste on top of the fish. So it's a technique that's used around the world, but it's not necessarily associated with soul cuisine, and we're really introducing that format into this dish.
It's excellent.